So in our previous example, we summed up all the data here, the number of pelts collected over these years. Found out there was 373 pelts. That's super cool. Let's say we wanted to do something slightly different. Let's say we just wanted to print out just the data. We didn't really care about summing it up necessarily. We just want to take the data or the numbers in here and just print them out as a part of my program. Just list that part of the file separately. So, well, how can we do that? Well, we're gonna keep some of the stuff the same, but all right, we're gonna go to here. I have my stuff file, it's still the stuff.txt, whatever. We're still gonna read the line, use that readline function, and we will still have a data variable because we're going through the data in that file, but instead of using the .strip command or method, we're going to use what's called rstrip. What that means is it's going to do what it did before, but also justify, make all the values line up real nicely. So pretty much we're going to be from here. It's going to look fairly similar to what we did last time. In fact, we're still just going to have, while data starts with that hashtag symbol. So this is looking at all, the stuff that starts with the hashtag, and just going past that, our data is equal to our stuff file dot readline dot rstrip. Again, we want to write justify. So now, again, this is going to basically functionally do what it did before. It's going to read the file, skipping any lines that have the hash symbol in front of it, or whatever, or the headers or whatever, until we arrive at our first piece of data on that list. Then what we're going to do now is just print out the data. So, what's going on now? Well, if I run it now, it just prints out 22. I don't know why this is going on, but it just prints out 22. But what we can do now, okay, website's acting funny. All right, so it prints out 22 because right now it's just printing out the first bit of data it arrives at. But to print out the rest of it, we are just going to make a loop for the data in our file. We're going to print out the data with that right aligned strip. So this is going to basically go through each item in the stuff file and print out everything that can be classified as data. So now when I run it, it prints out all those numerical values for me. So here is a nice way to kind of go through a file, print out just the stuff we're concerned with, and just remember it's based on context. Like in this example, the hashtag symbols are kind of defining the header a bit, so we can use the starts with hashtag symbol to skip through that part. But your header might be different. You might have to use a different technique, which like it depends on the context, but we'll see some more different ways we can deal with those types of situations later.